Hello everybody! Hello again! Welcome into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Today's going to be another quick short craft, quick and easy, just giving you some ideas on little mini baskets. How cute are these, right? It's a cute little mini basket. I got one with a handle and one without. So cute. And he's got his little Easter bunny in there. You can see him. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I put mine together so that you can have a bunch of ideas and put yours together. How cute would these be? A whole bunch of them on the table, right? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Definitely helps me out, you guys. And let's get started. We're going to start this project with taking apart our egg carton. First of all, we don't need the top of the egg carton, so we can take that off. Then we need the individual parts of this egg carton. Make our little mini baskets. So we're going to take, this is going to work with scissors. Right. Let's just try and get away with two. Anything. Alright, we finally got our little egg slot free there. So let's go ahead, trim it up. You can probably trim as much or as little as you want. It just depends on you, on how big you want your little basket to be. Since we're wrapping this with twine, you can actually leave these little divots because the twine will go over it and it won't be a big deal. Let's try and make it so it's a little even. All right, well, let's start our little basket. This one, I think we're going to do with a handle. We're going to do with a handle. I have this wire wrapped, I believe it's raffia, around it. I got it at Michael's. It does come in different colors. It is in it's in the section with the floral department has it. I believe I've seen it at Joann's too, and I don't know. I would assume Hobby Lobby probably also has a version. I would guess. But it is wire in there. So let's go ahead and we'll glue it down to our piece here. I have to give it just a minute to set up. Other side down there. The twine should also help hold it when we start wrapping it with twine as well. Now you can paint the inside if you want. I'm actually going to put Spanish moss in mine and maybe some like eggs. We're going to do the natural twine on this one. I have I have all kinds of twine. I've got white, I've got purple, I've got blue, I've got this natural. You could also do this in yarn as well if you wanted to do yarn. I'm just going to start here at the top. And I wouldn't say that you need to hot glue all the way around the whole thing, but at least to get it started, I would, so that so at least the top one stays where you want it. Otherwise it might be a little bit difficult. These are not going to be perfect baskets, which I think is fine. These are super cute and easy. And after you get this started, you could almost have little kids help you out. Oh, that's gonna roll. There we go. Look, it's wrapped all the way around. I did have to use more hot glue than I thought, but with wrapping it around. But that is so cute. Look at that little basket. Absolutely adorable. Now, we could stick all sorts of fun things in here. You can get the green, the grass from, you know, the Easter section where it has a little fake, like, paper grass. I got some little, this is the green Spanish moss. I got mine from Walmart. I absolutely love this green Spanish moss. It looks like a little bird's nest, almost. Now you can glue this in, or you could just, you know, just let it sit there, and then add little things to it. Like I've got these little carrots from Dollar Tree, the little foam carrots. Put a little carrot in there. That's cute. These little pastel eggs. These are from Hobby Lobby. In your little pastel colors. Those are always fun too. Okay, I guess apparently it just wants to have 3 in there. Like I said, you could glue these in to make them stay if you want. That's so cute. And then we need a ribbon. And then I got some little ribbon to make a little bow. This is 1/8 of an inch ribbon. Sometimes I find them at Walmart has a little bit. Sometimes Joanne Fabrics has some. Sometimes Hobby Lobby I just noticed recently has more of a selection as well. Right at the top. I'm going to leave these tails a little long. So cute is that. That is adorable. So, like I said, it's basically the same concept with any of the other ones that you're going to do. Except I'm going to do a white. We'll do a white one. Or no, let's do a purple one. But we're going to do it without the handle. So I'm going to do it without the handle this time. I'm on low temp, so I'm trying to move fast. Like I said, we've got that gap, but it's okay because we're just going to go right around it. I know there was a gap. And I got this purple and even the blue twine from Michael's. They have this type of twine for different seasons and things. I've seen it. I even have like a black one and other colors. Kind of comes out seasonally. It's usually on an end cap somewhere. Okay. I finished all the way down. You know, I forgot when I made this one, and I didn't even think about it, I didn't do anything to the bottom. Like, you could totally just keep going around to the bottom and use your twine at the bottom. You could leave your bottom and maybe just paint it or whatever. I found I have some really small wood rounds. Now you can use wood circles, you could use cardboard, you could use anything you want. If you don't have to use wood rounds, but I thought that would look so cute on there. But I'm going to use my tacky glue because I just feel like it's going to have a better bond. Versus the hot glue. It's going to take a minute to set up, but my gosh, that is the cutest little basket. And inside this little, I mean, and if I want to go back and put handles on it, I can do them on the inside maybe, if I want to do that. This one, again, we're going to do more of the Spanish moss. I got these little bunny erasers from the Dollar Tree. Bunny erasers. These are so cute and just the right size. I can't come out. How cute is that, right? So cute. He can fit right in here. These glitter eggs, also from Hobby Lobby. Usually you can find a whole bunch of little things to stick in these. Put him around all these little eggs. Like I said, we could do this. How cute is that? Him sitting in there with all his little egg friends. That's so cute. But we could do this with, I could glue these in, but then, you couldn't interchange them and do all the things. But you can also decorate these baskets a little more. I wasn't sure if this is going to be too big or not. I got this from Walmart. It's got little daisies. It's a ribbon. We could totally do something like that. That is really cute as well. I think I might do that, actually. I'm going to put it up a little high. I really like that. Versus doing a ribbon. I'm not going to do a bow or anything on it because I really like this. I really like that. The way that looks. That is so cute. So we've got that little basket. And we've got that little basket. Obviously you can put the little eggs and things in them to stay. You could put a little, I could put a wood round on this one too. For a little wood base. That is so cute. So you guys, here's what my little mini baskets look like. How are you going to decorate all your mini baskets? Keep on coming back for some more crafts at Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.